Hello Heavy Metal Maidens and Masters, I'm Heavy Metal Mama. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today is a little impromptu unboxing. I'd ordered something from Kate's Clothing and the postwoman came today and handed it to me. This does not just feel like the item that I ordered, so I thought, even though I'm really sick, I wasn't even going to put any makeup on today. I was just going to hang out and just feel sorry for myself. And then when this arrived, I was like, I have to film. So I've got some makeup on. I still feel like rubbish, but hey, let's find out what's in this package from Kate's Clothing. So let's get on with it. So I was expecting the Necessary Evil Medeina batwing skirt, which is in here. So I ordered this a while ago when they had the first run of this skirt, and unfortunately the manufacturer, everything was just way oversized. So the small, which I'm a small, or sometimes an extra small, it was just enormous. It just fell off me. I had thought I might be able to take out one of these panels and put it in, but it was so huge the previous run that I'd have had to just massacre the skirt. So unfortunately I very reluctantly returned it, but I contacted the lovely ladies at Kate's Clothing and they said that this is a much better sizing. So I'm super duper excited to try this on. Look how pretty it is. I love this batwing detailing. I basically own everything that they have with this batwing detailing, and I was gutted that it didn't fit me before. Oh, I'm excited. It's got this beautiful leatherette detailing around the zip, and it's a really lovely chunky zip. Look at that. It is so nice, and it's a good zip too. There we go. Yeah, that is great. So it's got all these different panels of the black mesh, and then it's got a really nice waistband on it as well, which will be super comfortable. Oh, I'm really pleased with that. But what is this? I'm excited. What is this? I literally haven't got a clue. They are sneaky little what names. I love the ladies at Kate's Clothing. Well, ladies and gents. There's a gent as well, at least one. Oh, what is it? Ooh! Ooh! It's a dead bomb. Oh my god, I think it's a black bath bomb. Oh my god, that's so cool. Oh, I was going to have a bath later because I feel like rubbish, so this is perfect. Oh, it smells delicious. Oh, very floral, but there's like an oriental undertone to it. Maybe some sandalwood. Ooh, it's got Dead Sea salt, Epsom salt, shea butter, bamboo charcoal powder. It's black. It's black. Oh, excellent. I don't really want to open it here in case it goes all over the sofa. But what I will do is I will film a try on of the skirt, and then I will film me popping it in the bath so you can see exactly what it looks like when it goes in the bath. Oh, that's so sweet. Oh, you see, this is why I absolutely love Kate's Clothing. They're just so sweet and thoughtful. Thank you so much, guys. So we will get on to the try on in a sec, and then I will show you my black bath. How cool is that? Okay, this is the Necessary Evil Medeina, I think I'm pronouncing that right, mesh skirt. It has this beautiful batwing detailing at the bottom with these lovely mesh panels. It's 95% polyester, 5% elastane. It has the lovely zip at the back, as you can see. And I have paired it with the Necessary Evil Venus jumpsuit. This is the one in Jersey. So this is what I would normally wear in summer. This is more of a summer outfit, but I thought I'd wear this vintage Necessary Evil bolero that I got off eBay with this lovely fur trim. Try and warm myself up a bit because it's flipping freezing at the moment today, and I have paired it with this Killstar belt, which I think really brings out the batwing detailing because it just sits beautifully on each panel, and then obviously as it was pentagram themed I had to go with my horns with the little pentagrams and my shoes with the little pentagrams as well. So I hope you appreciate this. This is just one of the different ways I'd style it. I mean, this is definitely more of a summer skirt, but I thought, you know, you could go out for dinner in this, like this, at this time of year, you know. But I really wanted to show you just how beautiful these panels are, and it just flows so beautifully. So I am a UK 8 to 10. This is the small. If they had done an extra small, I probably could have got away with an extra small, especially because it's quite stretchy, but they don't have an extra small on the website. It's a small or nothing. So I am very happy with the small, especially because, you know, you can belt it. I like to belt things. So I think it's great. It's going to be brilliant in the summer. You can pop it on with like a little vest top and just wear it, pop it on down the beach. It's going to be fantastic when I go on holiday with the kids. I'm going to be living in this because it'll keep the sun off, but it'll be cool and airy. I can't wait to try other stylings with this, but I literally had 15 minutes, so I was like, right, quick, grab my trusty jumpsuit because it goes with everything and pop this on. So I hope you like this. I hope it's given you a good idea of what it's like. So this is the resized Necessary Evil Medeina mesh skirt. Loving it. Thank you so much, all the good people at Kate's Clothing. It's beautiful. I absolutely love it. Thank you. And now to the black bath bomb. Okay, I've got the black bath bomb, the dead bomb, as you can see. There we are. Da, 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 dead bomb, dead bomb. Right, let's unwrap this baby. Let's put some hot water on. Ready? And here we go! Oh, look at that. That's fantastic. Right, ready? Let's give it a swirl. It smells fabulous. Oh, it's already got a little, looks like a little ball of lava. Check it out. Well, it smells divine. Lovely, sort of, like I said before, floral, a bit of sandalwood, something oriental underneath. Unfortunately, because I've got this horrendous cold, my nose isn't quite as on point as it normally is. Otherwise I'd have done you a fragrance breakdown, but never mind. And it doesn't say on the packaging what the fragrance is, but it's beautiful. I am really pleased. Thank you very much, people at Kate's Clothing. Thank you, you lovely lot. Black bath. Well, that was the Necessary Evil Medeina Batwing skirt and the dead bomb. Let me know what you thought. I'd love to hear your opinions. Like this video if you liked it. Comment below. Tell me what you thought of the skirt. Tell me if you would buy it yourself, how you would style it. I always love to know how other people would style things. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. It would be really appreciated. And remember, people, stay heavy.